Today we are going to Sumidero Canyon.
After a short drive with a colectivo for 15 pesos, I got to Chiapa de Corzo, which is on the list of the Pueblo Mágico, which are the magic towns. Now we are arriving in the center, and there's an interesting building in front of us. But as all the stuff in San Cristobal, it's also probably under construction, so this is what you see. In Chiapa de Corzo on the way to the Malecon where they sell the tickets, 200 pesos. I couldn't stop myself and I bought a coffee. I'm wondering if not to buy a Magnum. I don't know if I'm not spoiling myself too much today. There are two companies that do this kind of tours, the green ones and the red ones. They are exactly the same, and they just made like an agreement. They are going to like one after the other. I really have to start speaking English again. And it's 2.5 hours, the boat trip, and we need to wait till there is 24 people on the boat. Now we are 16, so we still need to wait. The tour from San Cristobal to here costs 300 or 330. The boat here costs 200, but you have to add the transport, which is 70, which is kind of the same. If you are only concerned about the cost, it's probably better to get it from San Cristobal. This is where we are buying the ticket. Oh, se me antoja. Well, guess what? I have been spending loads of money recently. There are also invasive species in those waters. Seem to be a problem all over the world. Apparently the hats fly, so I better take it off.
Crawling around, searching for higher ground. Can't see in front of me, my enemies. I've tried every possibility, ability to know if I can bleed. If that's what you wanted, you won't get it tonight. 'Cause I can fly, I can fly, I can fly, I can fly. I'm crawling around, searching for higher ground. Can't see in front of me, my enemies. I've tried every possibility, ability to know if I can bleed. If that's what you wanted, you won't get it tonight.
At the end of the tour, a shop rubbish.
¿Qué más?
In the world.
¿Solo?